Today, we're delving into the world of the FUJIFILM X-T30 mirrorless digital camera bundle. With its 26.1 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4-image sensor and enhanced autofocus system, this camera promises advanced stills and 4K video recording. The back-illuminated design ensures impressive image quality across the sensitivity range, coupled with a 425-point phase detection autofocus system for quick and precise focusing. The X Processor 4, powered by 4 CPUs, facilitates faster image processing, allowing for continuous shooting up to 8 frames per second with a mechanical shutter and 30 frames per second at a 1.25x crop with the electronic shutter. Not to mention the internal DCI UHD 4K 30 video recording capability, providing versatility for both photographers and videographers. Visually, the X-T30 embraces the iconic FUJIFILM X series aesthetics, featuring a silver finish and classic design. The camera boasts physical controls for intuitive handling and a high-resolution 2.36mm OLED electronic viewfinder. The 3.0-inch 1.04mm tilting touchscreen LCD enhances live view shooting and image playback. This bundle sweetens the deal with the inclusion of a XC15 to 45mm f3.5 to 5.6 OIS-PZ lens, a SanDisk 64GB Extreme SDXC memory card, a convenient card reader, and more. With built-in Bluetooth, wireless sharing and remote control become seamless. Stay tuned as we unbox this bundle, explore its features, and share our first impressions of the FUJIFILM X-T30 mirrorless camera. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.